guys, welcome to the part 2 of the piano tutor. So now we want to learn more about the keyboard. Still on chords. Remember, this is your C chord, which is your Do. This is your F chord, which is your Fa. This is your Sol chord, which is your G major. Now I want to add another chord. This is your sixth chord on the key of C. It's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. Which is your La. You can call it La. It comprises of the sixth, the one, and the third. It's La, Do, Mi. Now this second tutorial is basically how to play a song. Now I taught you. Now I've just added this one. Now there's a simple progression I want you to learn, which is here, which is your La, your Fa, and your Do, and your Sol. You can just take it like this now. These are basic progressions for you to be realistic with the piano. And there's also another progression which you can also use to practice, which is your 1. So now let's go to other exercises on how to play songs. Things that will give you stronger grip and open your hands very well. Remember, we're on the key of C. So now there's a way to build your left hand dexterity in your fingers. All you have to do is play it like this, which is Do, Sol, Mi, Sol. You go to your Sol, Sol, Fa, Fa. Now remember the major scale, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. When doing this exercise, you are allowed to play whatever key you come across on the key of C on your major scale. Also another secret progression to play to make your speed go faster and your chords mature on the key of C. Guys, thanks for watching this part 2. So kindly watch out for the part 3. But before I go, let me drop this exercise on the key of C. Thanks for watching. Please guys, subscribe to the channel to get more updates. God bless you.